Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been forever since I posted. Life has been doing its thing, lifing and whatnot. But I am back for another unboxing of a beautiful Marc Jacobs purse. Yes, so let's get straight into it. Let's not waste zero time. How are you guys doing? I hope beautiful. I hope lovely. I hope fantastic. So how would I open you? I guess down the middle. What if I like opened it up and there's like this big tear on their face? So I ordered straight from the website. Oh my god, it's huge. I ordered I ordered straight from the website. I like their mini totes because I feel like that's the perfect purse size for me. Cute little card holding. This is all the info saying I paid, my receipt, return label if it needs to be returned. I like the mini totes because they're like the perfect purse size for me. I never wanted to get too big in the purse range. But, you guys, wait till you see this. This thing is huge. Oh, my God. And this is a small, but perfect for winter vibes. Let's get you out of this. Oh, my God. This purse is huge. What am I going to carry in this thing? Oh, my God. It's so cute and so fuzzy, though. But, like... what am I going to carry in this? Jesus Christ. This is like, I can literally put this on my head, bro. I can literally put this on my head. Strapper, 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 strapper. Gotta stay strapped at all times. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. Floof, floof, floof. This purse is huge, guys. Oh my God. Dust bag with the monogram Marc Jacob on it. Dusty. All right, back into the purse. Let's get a good check out on this. Take more of this. This thing is huge. What am I like? My head compared just for sizing, like, and don't judge me when I do this, but like huge. It's so big. It's so big. Okay, so I definitely ordered the small tote fluffy. Oh, but this is a size medium. That explains why it's like this big, because like, yeah. And then, you know, Marc Jacobs, they have been, because I guess people didn't understand their sizing and they were confused about their sizing or whatever the case may be. But girl, just look. You just gotta look at the pictures. Like, look at the pictures. You can tell what size the purse is because in their pictures they always gonna have a lady. You know what I mean? So they change all their sizing and stuff like that. So maybe something got confused in the ordering. And then not only that, I ordered this purse in October, back in October, and I got it, what, a day ago? So November 18th. And that's when I got this purse. I ordered it October 27th. So this purse is on back order. It was $275. Cute little Marc Jacobs tag, but we're obviously gonna take that off. Let's look in the inside. So spacious. Like, I'm pretty sure I can fit my cat in here if you wanted to go on like a trip with me, or whatever the case may be. Get into that fuzzy wuzziness. Yes. Perfect for the winter time. We love it. So cozy. So it was $275, and the label says this is a medium, but when your girl ordered, I definitely ordered a smile, but you know what? I'm not tripping because I paid the price for a smile. So that's between Marc Jacobs and their manufacturers and their shipping and ordering people's. That don't got nothing to do with me. Strapping it on, strapping it up. Oh, does it have a pocket in the inside? It has a pocket. Beautiful. With more authentication paperwork on the inside. Get into that pocket, love. Yeah. Awesome. Let's get these strap-a-dapples on. It comes to the little famous Marc Jacobs little thing right there where you can tuck your little strap. Love that for me. Dude, what am I gonna carry in this purse? People already be thinking like I'm a bougie person. Now I have this big old tote. Am I mad? No. Am I gonna rock it like it's the last purse I ever bought? Yes, of course. God, it is just so gorgeous, so fluffy. The pink is extremely vibrant, so beautiful. I have to make sure I take extra care of this purse not to get it dirty or anything to mess up the fluff. They do have matching shoes, which I now am going to order. I was just on the fence about it because like it's wintertime in Texas. Like I guess the earth reset itself. Everything's going good in the world. So it's actually cold in Texas. So I don't want to order the slides because like, where am I gonna wear slides at? I don't know, because it's cold and my toes ain't gonna be cold. And socks and slides, that's just that's not for your girl. It's not for your girl. But back into the purse. This thing is huge. Dude, I can carry a purse inside of this purse. But I love it. The color is beautiful. The strap, just a nice little black strap to match this little zipper detailing. Love, love, love. Oh, and the monogram on the front, Marc Jacobs. Love that, love that. Beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed my unboxing of my new Marc Jacobs tote bag. And I have many, many more to come for you. I have news. I am pregnant, so I'm also going to be doing unboxing for baby stuff as well. I just got my Duna stroller, so you know we got to unbox the Duna. And I got to show you everything about that as well. I got a bunch of baby stuff that's coming, so I'm going to unbox all of that stuff as well and show you guys. Woohoo! I hope you enjoyed this. You enjoy your day. I love